Traxx partners as it is to you. And while the Traxx system is currently being used safely on over 10,000 trucks in 15 countries, our goal of total safety demanded the most rigorous testing under the most strenuous conditions we could find. We found the perfect testing site at the Mira Proving Grounds in the Midland regions of the UK, one of the most comprehensive, independent testing facilities in the world. Mira is the Motor Industry Research Association, one of the world's foremost engineering testing firms. On a winter day in 2011, the Mira team set out to test the Traxx system, and this is what they found. The object of the Mira test was to submit the Traxx system to durability trials on an articulated commercial vehicle trailer at various speeds up to 105 kilometers per hour. The initial test subjected the Traxx aluminum frame system to vibration and body twist inputs at speed. The test track was built specifically to input vertical and twisting forces on the trailer. 2 Traxx systems were tested, the frame alone and the frame with signage material. Now, to make things interesting, the frame was unclipped both vertically and horizontally for a length of 2 meters. After completing the 2 laps on the test track at 105 kilometers an hour, the frames were inspected. The result? There was no further detachment of either the frame or the sign. Next, the Mira team partially unclipped the Traxx sign material from the rails. The first test unclipped the entire lower corner. In the next test, the cover plate was completely removed and the vertical rail was unclipped 1 meter. Once again, there was no detachment of the frame or sign. Over the course of 3 more tests, the sign and frame were detached in varying stages, up to the point where the top cover plate and the front vertical rail was completely removed. Additionally, the lower rail was completely unclipped. The result? Once again, the Traxx system remained on the truck, proving to be sturdy and reliable under conditions far in excess of what could be expected in real-world applications. But the Mira testers didn't stop there. Next up came a battery of tear tests designed to see if the banner could be ripped away from the frame. Starting with a vertical cut of 500 millimeters, the team continued the tear test to the point where the banner was cut for the full length of the trailer, and then physically torn completely to mimic extreme vandalism. The Mira team even noted that simply tearing the banner was extremely difficult and took 2 people to complete. The conclusions of the Mira test were direct and to the point. Both the frame and sign system completed the test without failure. If any of the retaining frame became detached, it would be easy to refit without special tools. Extensive damage to the sign material could be seen, and if necessary, the sign could be removed easily to allow the vehicle to be driven safely. So, after rigorous testing by one of the foremost engineering test facilities in the world, all parts of the Traxx system remain safely on the truck. This is peace of mind for fleet and truck owners looking to balance safety with increased advertising effectiveness. For companies that manage their own brands, you can now completely control each marketing campaign and reach millions of customers quickly and efficiently with the Traxx system.